Medical tourism is actually something that's gotten pretty big in all aspects of medicine, plastics included. You know, Turkey is kind of the big name. I know that they do this some in some other countries as well, such as Mexico. The issues I find is you don't actually know who you're going to see a lot of the time. We know there are good transplant surgeons in Turkey, so if that's something that you're wanting to do, I would suggest really doing some good research. At the same time, typically you're working with a middleman. You're going to pay to go on a vacation for a few days. I would go to Turkey by yourself for your trip and then get your transplant elsewhere. You know, you're coming back. What if you have an infection? What if things are not going right? Who are you going to call? Probably us, and we'll do our best we can to help you. It's also somewhere where they're going to get as much hair as they possibly can. So they're not really going to be thinking about how is this going to heal? What's the donor going to look like afterwards? Is it going to be moth-eaten? And so you may get 4,000 grafts on the top. For one, they'll probably be chunky. We're not likely to really put in the artistry side of a hairline. That's not to say there's nobody that's over there, but you may not even have a physician work with you. You may have someone that's just been trained with no medical background at all. I will say we've had to help quite a few refinements of things in Turkey. I have seen some decent transplants as well. So there's good and there's bad. Myself personally, I would never really want to go somewhere where I'm paying a much cheaper price, because at the end of the day, you get what you pay for.